Keeping your roof clean is an essential and often overlooked part of RV maintenance. Your roof not only accumulates dirt, road grime, and tree sap, but it also degrades over time from UV rays. Luckily, Walex's PhD scientists developed a rubber roof cleaner and conditioner that makes roof maintenance easy, and they can't wait for you to try it on your RV. Walex rubber roof cleaner and conditioner removes dirt, mildew, tree sap, and buildup without damaging your roof. And since Walex's lead chemist is an RVer himself, he injected the formula with UV inhibitors that condition the roof, helping to prevent cracking and fading over time. Keeping your RV's roof in great condition is easy with Walex's rubber roof cleaner and conditioner. Walex is a family-owned business that makes products here in America using 100% solar-powered manufacturing. We're the trusted global leaders in waste treatment. Walex science is everywhere you go,